Good morning students. Welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. Student, today we will start exercise 2E. Now see question number 1. Solve the following word problems. So today we will solve word problems. Okay, so read the problem carefully and understand. Now see A part. Now listen to the statement very carefully. There are 4,875 male visitors and 2,605 female visitors in an exhibition. What is the total number of visitors in the exhibition? So student, what is the given here? Here we have given number of male visitors and number of female visitors. Okay. So here we have to find the total number of visitors in the exhibition. Student, the keyword total tell us that this is an addition problem. Means we have to add these given numbers. Understood? Now we will start with the statement. See question number 1, A part. Student, firstly we will leave two lines for carry and places. Okay, so we will start from the third line. Okay, the first statement will be, see, total number. Total number means we will start from number of male visitors. Okay, so first statement will be number of male visitors is equal to given 4,875. 4,875. You write here places also, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Here we will do carry. Okay. Now next statement will be number of female visitors. Okay, that is given 2,605. So next statement will be number of female visitors equal to 2,605. Okay, what is the total number of visitors in the exhibition? So next statement will be total number of visitors in the exhibition. So we will write here total number of visitors is equal to, so student, what will do we here? We will add these numbers. Here we are finding total means add, so write here plus sign. Okay, so we always start adding from ones place. Okay, 5 plus 5 10, write here 0 1 carry over here. Okay, 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 1 8, so write here 8. Okay, now 8 plus 6, yes, 14, so write here 4 1 carry. Now 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Total number of visitors in the exhibition is 7,480. So here we will write the hence line also. Hence, same line we will write. The total number of visitors in the exhibition is 7,480. Hence, the total number of visitors in the exhibition is 7,480. I hope A part is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to B part. So listen very carefully. A train ran this kilometer. A train ran 7,745 kilometer. Another train ran 1,855 kilometer more than the first train. How many kilometer did the other train run? So student, I will give you one simple example to understand this question. So listen very carefully. If we make a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a number line. So and let's say first train ran 5 kilometer. First train ran 5 kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And other train ran 2 kilometer more than the first train. Other train ran 2 kilometer more than the first train. Means second train ran 2 kilometer more than the first train, means 1, 2. So here we reached at 7. Okay. Now, how much does the second train run? How much does the second train run in all? So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So second train ran 7 kilometer in all. Means here we will add these two numbers. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Okay. Similarly, in this question, we will add these two numbers. Okay. So again, start from here. First line will be first train ran equal to this kilometer. So write here first train ran equal to 7,745 kilometer. Okay, write here places also ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, next line will be another train ran more than the first train, that is equal to 1,855 kilometer. So write here another train ran more than the first train. Okay, that is equal to 1,855 kilometer. Okay, and find how many kilometer did the other train run. So next line will be another, other means same thing, other train run. Next line will be other train ran. Other train ran equal to, here we will put plus sign, then we will add the given numbers. Yes, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry. Now 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry. Okay, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. Right here 6, 1 carry. Okay, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. And right here kilometer also. Other train ran 9,600 kilometer. Okay, so right here hence also, hence the other train ran 9,600 kilometer. I hope B part is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to C part. There are 3,895 men, 2,927 women and 2,409 children in a village. Find the total population of the village. So student, what is given here? Here number of men are given, number of women are given, number of children are given. Here we have to find the total population of the village. Student, the keyword total tell us this is an addition problem. So we will add these given numbers. Okay. Find the total. Total means we will start from number. First line will be number of men. Okay. So we will start from here. Leave 2 lines again. Okay. So first line will be number of men is equal to 3,895. So write here places also ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, and next line will be number of women is equal to 2,927. Next line will be number of children is equal to 2,409. Okay, and last statement will be total population of the village. Total means we will add these given numbers. Okay, so write a plus sign also. Now add these numbers. Okay, student. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. Okay, write here 1, 2 carry. So student, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. And 11 plus 2, 13. Write here 3, 1 carry. Okay, now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, yes. 9 plus 9, 18. Very good. 18 plus 4, 22. So write here 2, 2 carry over here. Now 3 plus 2, yes, 5. 5 plus 2, yes, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So write here 9. So the total population of the village is 9,231. So write here hence line also. Hence the total population of the village is 9,231. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day.